Hi, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendant's wife, nature, and marriage life. So, for Gemini ascendant, sign Sagittarius is in the 7th house. So, it is ruled by Jupiter. The ascendant is ruled by Mercury, and the 7th house is ruled by Jupiter. So, Sagittarius in 9th house shows that the spouse would be a energetic and positive person. Because Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, the spouse would have a lot of energy and enthusiasm. Sagittarius is also a sign of traveling, so the spouse can be interested to travel a lot. Also, Sagittarius is a foreign sign. It is possible that these natives after marriage can move to foreign land, or they might marry even a foreigner if other factors support it. Venus rules 5th house and 12th house. So again, marriage life is connected to 12th house of foreign lands. So a spouse is going to come from foreign lands, or after marriage you might have good chances of moving to foreign land, especially if Venus and Jupiter are making any connection. And then Venus rules 5th house, which shows that the spouse would be creative and she would be very close to children. Venus is ruling 5th house, that means spouse is going to be interested in some kind of entertainment or art. Venus is ruling 12th house, so spouse would be a little bit private in nature, and she might also have a profession related to 12th house, that is, she can be a doctor or a nurse, and even she can be working in places like airports and similar institutions. So after marriage, native can be expected to rise in life because Jupiter rules 7th as well as the 10th house of status and career. So after marriage, these natives can get a rise in their status, and also their career might improve. They might also do something together with their spouse. The 7th Lord Jupiter exalted in 2nd house for Gemini natives, so that shows that Jupiter would give lot of gains and wealth through marriage. Jupiter is debilitated in 8th house of Capricorn, that means the native's wife might have some issues with her family.